Hey everyone, it's Miley with CloudApp. Today is International Cat Day, and so in honor of the holiday, I wanted to show you how to create a GIF of a cat video. And the video I'll be using is actually of my cat. So first you'll want to open up the video file that you want to create into a GIF. And then what we're going to do is actually press play on the video, and then do your shortcut to make the GIF, or you can always click on the cloud in the top right hand corner of your toolbar. And then you're going to click start and make sure that this setting is on GIF and not HD. But it's pretty simple. You just let the video play. It'll play for, let's see, about 4 more seconds. And then it'll just end for you. So that's how you create a cat GIF video. I'll also post the finished GIF so you can see it for yourself. And please share any of your videos with me, especially of cats, but I will accept any GIF that you create with CloudApp. So hopefully that was helpful.